What's going on? I am the ADHD gardener and I'm here to compete to be the new Johnny Appleseed, and I'm bringing something different. The difference between me and everybody else is that I'm bringing flavor and I'm bringing mental health into this whole gardening game. I don't have a homestead and I don't have a farm, but what I do have is a backyard and a serious enthusiasm for trying to get this going, not only for my physical health, but for my mental health, and that's what I want to share to everybody. I started taking gardening a lot more serious once my actual physical health started being impacted. But once that happened, I noticed that my mental health was being impacted as well. So once I really dove into gardening, it just changed my life. And I just want to share it to the rest of the world how gardening can be really impactful and beneficial for our mental health. I'm just using the space that I have in my backyard, and I'm even using my front lawn as well. I'm trying to use up as much space as I can in my backyard, because what if you don't have a farm or a homestead? It's still possible to garden, and that's what I want to show you guys. I'm trying to grow everything organically using no commercial pesticides or anything like that. Everything that I'm growing is organic, and what I do have is everything ranging from asparagus to lettuce varieties to strawberries to corn even. I have a whole section dedicated to just corn, different varieties of potatoes. I have 2 huge greenhouses that are holding it down. From smashing mental health and gardening together, I'm really trying to get diverse with farming, and I want to get my fellow Latinos, minorities involved into the food production. No reason why we can't garden. There's no reason why we can't grow. It's just through education, seeing other people like us farming and gardening, and then maybe they can say, hey, you know what? I can farm and garden too. I felt that there was a need for the mental health and for diversity in farming, and that's just all I want to promote. Thanks for the opportunity of showcasing my gardening and my channel. Peace!